Hi, Crafty Friends. Lisa here, the Cheeky Bum, and it's that time of the month again. We are going to do a sneak peek of the March 2026 Scrap Diva Designs release. This release, I think, has 20 die sets. Yes, quite a bit. One is dies, and their stamps that go with said dies, and this will be available on March 3rd. March 3rd. I only have a few here. I don't have the full release, but if you search hashtag scrapdivadesigns, you'll pull up everybody on the design team, and there's going to be other sneak peeks of everybody, or anybody that got the full release in case you want to see. I do believe it's mainly Easter. There's a little bit of St. Patrick's Day in there, which I did get, and some springish items as well. There's definitely some things that are on my radar that I'm going to have to go get. But if you go to scrapdivadesigns.com, you can see, well, you won't be able to see any of the new release, but last month's release, which was a great release. I really, really loved last month's release. And again, make sure you're searching hashtag scrapdivadesigns so you can see what everybody on the design team is coming up with, creating, and anybody else that uses a hashtag as well. You can see what they are creating as well. So first up, we have this mini album. This is the Pot of Gold mini album, and I cannot wait to dive in. I already have great ideas for this. I love St. Patrick's Day. I am part Irish. I am Irish, Scottish, German, so I have a huge Irish heritage on my mother's side, and I'm so excited to dig into some St. Patrick's Day. This one is the Lucky Heart Shaker. This looks really cute. We have, look at this little heart, clover. It says Lucky, and you layer it up on this like sketched heart. I was gonna say stitched heart, but it's not a stitched heart. It's like a sketched heart. It's really cute. I like that. I really like this, and I like this font as well. This is a new Memdex, and this looks so cute. It's a spring memory decks. Yes, it is. We have a layer that has all these little butterflies. You don't have to use, there's multiple different layers. There's also some, I think some foliage and some birds in there that you can put on there. Again, that is the spring memory decks. We do have some words. These are St. Patrick's Day words. That's why I put it upside down. St. Patrick's Day words. The words that we get are lucky, charm, vibes, leprechaun, shamrock, shenanigans, and clover. There is a misspelling in one of the words, which is leprechaun. So that one is being fixed, and it will be fixed shortly. I think by the time you order, I think it should be fixed, or I'm not quite sure. Erica said that she was taking care of it. So leprechaun will be fixed. I'm really excited for these. Look at the font. I love the shenanigans. That is one of my favorite St. Patrick's Day words to use. And last but not least, I got this 3D TV box, and I cannot wait to dig into this. I already have so many different ideas going through my head of what I can do with this. I am a spooky girl, and I think I might have to do some kind of monster movie, something, but this could be used for so many different things. There's always some kind of movie swap, cinema swap. So I think that this could be super cute, or as a gift to give to somebody that loves a certain show or movie. I think this will be great, especially around Christmas time. So you can do like a Christmas movie theme. That's going to be so stinking cute. So I'm excited for that. So these are the dies that I got. Again, there's 20 dies in this release, so there's a lot to look at. So make sure you're checking out some of the other girls' channels so you can see all the other little things. And yes, I'm super excited to play. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, make sure that you are searching hashtag scrapdivadesigns, and on March 3rd, I will go in and I will put the links for everything. And if you use code CHEEKYBUM, you can save your 10% on your order, which is great. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.